You've made great money. You've built a career most people would envy. But every morning you wake up, you look in the mirror, and the guy staring back at you doesn't match the success that you've built. You've tried keto, you've tried cutting sugar, you've tried intermittent fasting, maybe you even hired a trainer, and you're still 10 to 15 pounds heavier than you were at 25, wondering if it's just your age, your metabolism, or if you're not disciplined enough. Well, I'm here to tell you it's none of those things. And today I'm gonna show you the exact method that I call the Lean for Life method that's helped hundreds of busy professionals and parents finally lose the fat, keep it off, and stop starting over every few months. I'm 39 and I'm going on 40. I have a young kid. I have a normal life. I don't train 6 days a week, and I enjoy the shit out of cookies and pizza. And ask any of my friends, my diet is not 100% clean. I enjoy my life to the fullest. But it wasn't always like this, okay? I went through 3 miserable years after diet culture sucked me right into the trap. The trap of over-restriction, the trap of believing that more is better. I was doing my best, chasing my best body, like all of you watching right now. And I ended up scrawnier, rock bottom sex drive, lethargic, moody, and straight up frustrated. Frustrated that with so much effort, I wasn't seeing any results. And believe this story or not, I was the guy doing air squats in the bathroom of a sushi restaurant just so I can burn extra calories and sugar from my muscles before I ate the rice. That is freaking insane. So the turning point was when I looked at myself in the mirror one day and I didn't recognize that man anymore. A man who once had massive confidence and now with zero. I realized that I needed the right education first. The formula is education first, implementation second, and then having the right mindset. The answer was not another influencer diet. So that's when I hired 2 coaches, one to teach me about proper nutrition, calories, macros, and how fat loss and building muscle actually worked, and the other coach to help me address my poor relationship with food. Only after a few months, everything changed for me. I was not only leaner, I was stronger. I had way more energy because I learned how to actually fuel my body for once. And the most important part was that I felt less guilt, less anxiety around eating foods like ice cream and cookies. Because what type of boring ass life doesn't include ice cream? So I've tried all these methods and they all failed me. The bright side is that they taught me valuable insights that I want to share with you today. There are 3 main reasons why the methods you are using to lose fat aren't working. Reason number 1 is that you're restricting instead of learning. You cut carbs, you cut sugar, you cut desserts, and it worked for maybe 8 to 12 weeks, and then your willpower ran out. You binge every Saturday, the weight comes back, and you feel worse than before. Some of you even spiral into depression, and I feel that. The problem was never the food, it was that nobody taught you how calories actually work. So you defaulted to elimination because you felt like you're in control. Now you don't have a discipline problem here, you have an education problem. Reason number 2 is that the plan was never built for your actual life. You followed a program designed for someone who has 2 hours to work out a day and eats every meal at home. You're eating out with clients, you're traveling, you're going to weddings, grabbing dinner with your wife, and the moment you're off the meal plan, you're completely lost. The best plan in the world is useless if it doesn't fit your life you actually live. So please listen to that again. Reason number 3 is that you've been fighting this completely alone. You've been your own coach, your own nutritionist, your own accountability partner, and when you're stressed, tired, and burned out from work, you have zero support to fall back on. And I'm sorry to tell you this, but you know as well as me that your partner or your spouse isn't the best accountability partner because they tend to soften up simply because they love you. So you continue scrolling, you numb out, you tell yourself you'll start Monday, delays, you break one promise to yourself after another. You wouldn't run your business without a team, so why are you trying to transform your body without one? Now this is the cycle of failure. Restrict, get short-term results, your willpower fades, you binge, you feel guilty, you start over. We have to break this cycle together. So here's what actually works, okay? I call it the Lean for Life method, and it's built on 3 pillars that work together, not one without the other. Now, before you do anything, you need to understand the game that you are playing. The foundation of fat loss comes down to calories. No calorie deficit, no fat loss. And we don't label foods here as clean or dirty. I don't even like calling foods healthy or unhealthy because you're not healthy if you eat 1 steak and salad, just like you're not unhealthy if you eat a few slices of pizza. It's your overall diet that matters the most. We also need to learn how macros work. Protein for muscle and satiety, fats for hormonal health, carbs for energy, and to enjoy your life. Now what you need to do is learn how to balance these 3 macros to live a high energy life. Now there are also people that will tell you that meal timing is the most important, and those people have no idea what they're talking about. Okay, meal timing can certainly affect your energy levels, how full you are at night, and how consistent you are with hitting your calorie targets. But the most important thing when it comes to fat loss is calories. And if you want a really quick tip here on how to build an optimal meal schedule, number 1, eat a couple hours after you wake up when you're actually hungry. Number 2, make that first meal protein and fiber based. We are huge on fiber here. Number 3, fill up with carbohydrates if you're working out in the morning. Number 4, eat a well-balanced lunch with protein, fiber, whole food carbohydrates. Number 5, have a light snack mid-afternoon that has protein and fiber in it, something like an apple and protein shake, for example. And for dinner, literally just repeat the same thing that you did for lunch. And lastly, try not to have your last meal 2 to 3 hours before bed to ensure a high quality sleep. And that's it. That's your meal schedule. Not super complicated. Before I go further, I want to dispel a few more common myths around fat loss so that you're not confused, because Lord knows there are still influencers out there spreading misinformation and fear-mongering tactics just to sell you a damn course or a peptide. Number 1, carbs do not make you fat, okay? Too many calories will make you fat. Carbs are delicious, especially when paired with fats like cookies and ice cream. Just make sure those foods are 10 to 20% of your diet, because those are hella easy to overeat. Number 2, another myth, your metabolism is not broken. Your metabolic rate stays roughly the same between ages of 20 and 60. The only thing that could be broken are your lifestyle habits. You're eating more conveniently, hyper-processed, high-calorie foods, you're sitting for 10 hours a day without getting up and walking, you're sleeping like shit, and you're stressed as hell. Myth number 3 is that it is not downhill after 40, and there will be people like dipshits telling you that's even downhill at 30. I've had a couple dudes tell me that a decade ago, and they're absolutely nuts. You determine your prime age. You determine if you age gracefully or if you age poorly. You are in complete control of what the next 30 years looks like. You decide how present you are as a parent and a partner. You own this shit, okay? I want you to own that statement. Say it out loud with me. I own this shit. I am in complete control of my life. Thank you. Now, once you understand the education part of it, you'll never fall for another fad diet again, I promise you. You'll look at a plate of food and you'll know exactly what it's doing for your body, whether you're at home, at a restaurant, or at a wedding. So this is Jeremy. Jeremy worked like a horse, traveling all the time, basically lived out of airports and hotels, and like most guys in his position, he tried to get in shape the only way he knew how. Cut the carbs, skip the meals, white knuckle his way through willpower, and it worked for like a few weeks. Then he'd be at a client dinner or stuck at an airport terminal, and he had no idea how to eat without blowing his diet. So he'd fall off, he'd feel guilty, and start over again. And that cycle repeated for years until he stepped on the scale one day and he was literally the heaviest weight he's ever been. And he told me he literally hated what he saw in the mirror, and it was super sad. So the first thing we did with Jeremy, we didn't hand him a meal plan, it was to teach him. We taught him how calories work. We taught him how to plate any food, whether it's room service, hotel buffet, or a business dinner, and he understood what he's putting in his body. Once he had that education, everything changed. He stopped fearing foods, he stopped guessing, he knew exactly what to eat in any situation because he finally understood the fundamentals. 57 pounds dropped, and he says he feels like a brand new man. This is what it's all about. Here's the big thing though, knowledge without action is just guessing. And this is where we make it real. Okay, you have to learn how to plug this all into your lifestyle, your hectic schedule, and you need to know what to do when things don't go your way, because trust me, it will not go your way more times than you think. It basically comes down to these things to lock it all in. Number 1, learn to track your food accurately in any situation, not just at home, not just cooked meals, but takeout, social dinners, buffets, travel. Most people think they're tracking, but they're underestimating by 500 to 1,000 calories per day, and that's why the scale isn't moving. Number 2, you need a personalized training program built on evidence-based muscle building principles, 3 sessions per week, in and out of the gym, and it has to be flexible to meet you where you are in the world and what equipment you have access to. Number 3, you also need a sound movement protocol that doesn't require a gym. Walking, mobility, these things also matter for fat loss and your overall health. But this is the most important aspect for busy professionals. It's social meal planning. How to eat out with clients, go to weddings, travel, and still stay on track. I know too many people that have given up their fat loss goals because they keep pausing whenever life isn't smooth. Accept it, okay? Your life is never going to be smooth. You will always be social, so you don't have a choice but to learn how to navigate these tough times if you want to finally achieve your peak physique. I'm sorry, there's no way around this. Now, we don't give you a meal plan and say good luck. We look at photos, at what you're actually eating, and help you optimize it in real time. You don't need to overhaul your life here. You need to learn how to work with the life you already have. So this is Eddie, a client who has kids, owns several businesses, eats out regularly, and still lost 40 plus pounds of fat. We didn't just focus on the weight, we focused on changing his actual behaviors and habits. He sent us photos every day of his food to check if his tracking was accurate, especially his social meals. And we didn't even get him to track every single ingredient. We taught him how to make his best estimate to relieve any anxiety around it. And after a while of doing this, he could look at food and know what the macros are right away. 3 years later, he still kept the fat off and is now a strong example for his family. And this, my friend, is the pillar nobody talks about. It's the one thing that determines everything. Okay, if you don't fix what's between your ears, no diet program, no world-class trainer will be able to help you. And there are essentially 5 mindset pillars that we address with our clients, and this is how they keep the weight off forever. Number 1 is your relationship with food. Do you see food as good or bad? Do you feel guilt after eating a donut? That is the real problem. You need to untangle years of restrictive dieting, years of being conditioned by the internet trying to convince you that there is such thing as a good or bad food. All food is food, and you need to accept this. Number 2, binging and emotional eating. These aren't willpower failures. They are patterns that can be broken with the right support. If you restrict yourself from eating cookies, guess what you think about 24/7? Frigging cookies. And when somebody brings home-cooked cookies to the office, guess what you're gonna do? You're gonna eat at least 15 of them and then feel like shit after. We need to break this together. Number 3 is the all or nothing mentality, that I miss one day so the whole week is ruined type stuff. This is what keeps you starting over. You cannot treat your body like your business. I know you want to put the pedal to the metal, but all you need to do is be 80 to 90% consistent for a long period of time, and that's what's going to elicit you the best results. If you try to go 100%, you're just going to burn out in 3 weeks and quit. Number 4, stop breaking promises to yourself. Okay, this erodes self-trust and breaks your self-confidence. Every time you say, I'll start Monday, and you don't, you believe in yourself just a little bit less. Now, this is a great quote that I live by now. How you do one thing is how you do everything. The thing is, you don't miss meetings for work. You don't say, I'll do it later to your boss, and you have to treat yourself with the same urgency and importance, so stop breaking promises to yourself. And number 5, identity evolution over outcomes. Okay, stop being someone who wants to be in shape and become someone that prioritizes their body as the baseline standard. That will be a permanent change. So if there's one major thing I want you to take away from this video, it's that 90% of getting in shape is psychology. If you don't fix how you think about food, no diet will ever stick. And this is why the Lean for Life method works when everything else hasn't, because we address the thing that nobody else does. This is Jan. When Jan came to us, the weight was only part of the problem. The real issue was going up here. Okay, she told me that she dreaded the thought of even seeking help because in her mind, needing help meant she had failed. She avoided photos, she stopped wearing clothes she used to love, and every time she looked in the mirror, the voice in her head told her the same thing. You've let yourself go, and now it's too late. So she's tried diets before, she understood calories, she knew what to do, but she couldn't stick to anything because her relationship with food was broken. She'd restrict all week and then emotionally eat on the weekends because work stress or life stress would pile up. Then the guilt would hit, then she'd tell herself, what's the point, and then she'd quit. Classic all or nothing mentality. The turning point for Jan wasn't a new meal plan, it was when we started working on how she saw herself and how she saw food. We broke the binge restrict cycle, we got her to stop labeling foods as good or bad, we helped her understand that one off day doesn't erase a week of progress. You dial it back, you just don't stop. Okay, once her mindset shifted, her consistency followed, and when consistency showed up, the results became inevitable and predictable. 52 years old, 42 pounds of fat gone, put on an insane amount of muscle, in the best shape of her life. And you know what she told me? She doesn't think she even peaked yet. That's not just a body transformation, that's an identity shift. And that's what happens when you fix your mindset first. So you might be sitting there right now thinking, is the Lean for Life method going to work for me? And I'll tell you straight up, it doesn't work for everybody. And this will not work for you for any of these 6 reasons. Number 1, you are looking for a shortcut. If you're hoping I'm going to hand you a magical supplement, a 14-day detox, or some hormone loophole that melts fat while you sleep, this is not for you, and that stuff doesn't exist. If you're still chasing it, you're not ready for what actually works. Number 2, you refuse to take ownership. Now, if your first instinct is to blame your wife, your kids, your job, your age, your genetics, your metabolism for why you're out of shape, we cannot help you. Okay, every single client who's gotten results with us started by admitting one thing: everything is my fault. And if you can't say that, you're not coachable. Number 3, you'd rather stay comfortable than change. If you'd rather scroll your phone for 2 hours, numb it out with a drink or a joint, and tell yourself that you're gonna start Monday for the 3rd year in a row, I'm not gonna judge you. You can keep doing that, but don't pretend that you want results. Wanting results and being willing to do something about it are 2 very different things. Number 4, you think you already know everything. So if you watch enough YouTube videos and you read enough Reddit threads that you're convinced you just need to figure it out on your own, by all means, please go ahead. But if you could do it yourself, you would have done it already. And the people who win are the ones who are coachable and open-minded, not the ones who argue with the process. Number 5, you're not willing to invest in yourself. If you're gonna spend money on watches, fancy dinners, vacations, and delivery food every night, but you think investing in your health is too expensive, you don't have a money problem, you have a priority problem, and no program can fix that for you. And number 6, you quit the moment it gets uncomfortable. If you have one bad week, the scale doesn't move, work gets stressful, and you eat off plan at a dinner, and your response is to throw the whole thing away and say, this doesn't work for me, then yeah, it's not gonna work for you. Because the people who get life-changing results are the ones who stay in the game, especially when shit gets hard, not just when it's easy. And if any of that is you, no hard feelings, okay, seriously, but I'd rather be honest with you right now than waste both of our time. However, if you are not that kind of person I just called out, and instead you fit any of these 6 reasons, number 1, you're a busy professional or business owner, probably in your 30s and 40s or older, who's built real success, but your body doesn't reflect it, then we can talk. Number 2, you've tried 2 or 3 diet programs and you're tired of starting over. Number 3, you don't want to live in the gym or eat chicken and broccoli for every meal. Number 4, you want to actually enjoy your social life, eat with your wife, have a drink, and still get lean. Number 5, you want this to be the last time you ever have to start over. Or number 6, you want to be that guy your kids look up to, the guy who walks into a room and commands respect, not just because of your career, but because you clearly have your shit together. You need to keep watching because this next part is for you. So if that is you, you've got 2 options. Okay, option A, you close the video, you go back to scrolling, maybe you try another program in a few weeks, maybe you tell yourself you're gonna start January or after summer. And in a year from now, you're in the same spot, or worse, another 5 pounds heavier, another year of avoiding the mirror, standing in the back of photos, telling your wife you're just tired. Or option B, you take 30 seconds right now, you click the link below and book a free strategy session with my team. We're gonna look at where you are right now, where you wanna be, and map out exactly how the Lean for Life method gets you there, fitted to your life, your schedule, your situation. And this isn't about being perfect, my friend. We don't have any perfect people in our inner circle. We want people who are absolutely fucking done with starting over every 6 months. So if you're ready to be that person who finally has it all together, the career, the confidence, the body, then we're gonna see you on the call. The link is below, book the call, let's get to work.